Hi, everybody. Just getting ready here.
Today, we talk about the kitchen. Real English, real life.
The kitchen is my favorite place in the house. I like food. I like cooking. I like eating.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner. I like all of it. Sometimes I eat too much, so I need to exercise. In the kitchen, we bake. We cook, and we make food. I bake bread. I bake cookies. I bake a cake. I cook eggs. I cook pasta. I cook dinner. I make breakfast. I make lunch. I make supper.
If you are not sure, just say make.
This is the counter. I prepare food here. I cut vegetables. I mix ingredients. This is the oven. I bake in the oven. I preheat the oven. Then I put the food inside. This is the stove. I cook on the stove. I use pots and pans. Oven, bake, stove, cook. I open the fridge. I take milk. I take eggs. I take bread and cheese. I take vegetables and fruit. Milk, eggs, bread, cheese, vegetables, fruit. I take a knife. I use a pan and a pot. I use a spoon and a spatula. I use a whisk and a bowl. Knife, pan, pot, spoon, spatula, whisk, bowl. I cut vegetables. I peel carrots. I boil water. I fry eggs. I stir soup. I mix ingredients. I make breakfast. I pour milk into a cup. I eat breakfast. I set the table. I serve food. I clean the dishes. This is a microwave. This is a toaster. This is a coffee maker. This is a kettle. Microwave, toaster, coffee maker, kettle.
Now you know many kitchen words. You can use them every day. In the kitchen, at home, anywhere. Please like and subscribe. See you next time.